Hello guys, another video from my car as every Friday on this channel, and in this case it's not my own car, it's a rented car I had to rent because my car broke down, so for a day it will be repaired, but I still want to shoot the video today because I planned for it. So I've rented a car, driven around, and then parked by to shoot this video. Anyway, topic of today is one business and career strategy that is kind of underrated, but lately I've seen so many people benefiting from it. If you want to have a job, or get any opportunity for partnerships or collaboration or clients in the business side, pretty often it happens behind the scenes. So a lot of jobs are actually offered not on job boards, Twitter, LinkedIn, or elsewhere. It's just via referrals. So people referring each other for job opportunities because someone knows someone who may help at a job at some company. And where do they know those people? Because they talked to those people somewhere, online or offline. And the idea here that while talking to other people or interacting with other people, just be nice. It sounds so simple, but so many people get into online fights and discussions and being quite negative about someone instead of just being helpful and nice. And while saying the word nice, I have immediately a few candidates for that word in Laravel community, people who have been nice for years and years to us Laravel developers. For example, Jeffrey Way from Laracast. Even when listening to his tone, even now after all those years, he's just nice to listen to talk to. I've met him in person at Laracon EU. He's just helpful and nice. And look how many people subscribe to Laracast, paid him money, partially because he's nice. Of course, it's for the value of Laracast, but the way he's presenting the content and himself and being helpful for all those years outside of Laracast, before Laracasts. It's the psychology. People are grateful for what you did over the years, and if you are nice to them, they will be nice back, sometimes with money. Another example is Aaron Francis. He recently lost his job and tweeted about it and asked for any recommendations. To be honest, I don't even remember if he asked it specifically. Maybe he's just told that he was laid off. And so many people retweeted, shared, tried to help Aaron in any way they can to find new opportunities. It was hundreds of retweets, replies, and comments. Just because over the years Aaron Francis has been such a nice guy, also helpful, but the way he's talking, he's not into online discussions and fights. And even if he's arguing about some framework or technology, he's presenting it in a nice, friendly way that we can all get along. Another example of kind of OG nice guy in Laravel community is Matt Stauffer. Have you ever seen Matt Stauffer arguing with someone on Twitter or offline? I don't remember. He's always smiling, helpful, while talking to people on podcasts, interviewing others like Taylor and other superstars of the community. So for all those people, this is just 3 examples, so it opens so many opportunities over the years for them, both in terms of career, job opportunities, business, and collaborations. As for myself, I wouldn't classify myself strictly as being a nice guy. Over the years, I take my position more like independent journalist of Laravel, so sometimes I do get against something or even someone. Back in the day, I got much better at that. I'm still trying to be helpful and valuable, but sometimes I'm not that nice because I want to prove some point that I believe in. So my example is not in the list here. But advice to you guys is friendliness and being nice will open so many doors for you, sometimes when you don't even expect that to happen. It's kind of an investment up front. Just be nice by default, be helpful by default, without expecting anything in return, and then that return will eventually happen. Kind of a career advice, kind of a life advice from me, from my car. But that's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.